Yes, children, which page and which para? Hurry up.
Ma'am, page number 51.
50 or 51?
51 starting.
51 had started?
Ma'am, starting we have to read.
Okay, okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning. Very good morning. See now, so we had done page number 50, and in the last two paras, father, he tells that as the daughter is growing up, she no longer believed in her parents, and whatever, okay, was told to her, okay, she got it confirmed whether father to give her any kind of information. She tried to confirm it from mother, and if mother gave her any kind of information, she tried to confirm it from her father. And now she's asking whether magic spells are real or not. Okay, so father replies that magic spells are real in stories. And then he continues his stories and he says the owl said to the Roger skunk to go through the dark woods under the apple tree and then into the swamp and then over the creek. Oh, I told you, na, little river. So put the date. A little river over the creek and there will be the wizard's house, and that is the way Roger Skunk went. And pretty soon he came to a little white house and he rapped on the door. Okay, rapping, you got it, knocking. Jack rapped on the windowsill and under the covers Joe's tall figure clenched in an infantile uh, thrill. This only, na, this para only we are supposed to do.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now Jack, he rapped on the windowsill and under the covers, Joe's tall figure, it clenched. Yes, huh? Sorry, I'm sorry. Yes, the covers Joe's tall figure clenched in an infantile thrill. Okay, clenching is closing in a tight manner and infantile means in a childish. Infant hota hai bachcha. So infantile means in a childish thrill. You can write down the meaning. And then a tiny little, and then again he continues, and then a tiny little old man came out with a long beard and a pointed blue hat and said, hey, what's this? What do you want? Yani, what is it? What do you want? You smell awful, okay? And when a short man, he comes and tiny means he was very short in height, and he comes and he asks Brother Skunks that what he wanted. And then he said that you smell very awful, your smell is very bad. The wizard's voice was one of Jack's own favorite effects. Okay, now the voice of wizard, it was created by Jack himself. He did it by scrunching up his face. Okay, scrunching means by making a very crunching noise. Write down crunching noise, crumbling up, and somehow winning through his eyes. Winning means a high pitched cry or sound. You can write down high pitched cry or sound. लिख लो. Which fell for interval. Rumi is watery. Now, what did he do? He used to create the voice of the wizard, okay, by scrunching his face, okay, and he used to also twist his eyes, win his eyes, and that led to the water in the eyes. He felt being an old man suited him, and father, he felt that the role of old man, it suited him. I know it, Roger Skunk said, and all the little animals ran away from me. The enormous wise old owl said he could help me. Now, when the wizard said that you smell very awful, The story continues, and Roger Skunk, he says, of course I know it, I smell very bad, and that is the reason all the little animals, they also run away from me. And the enormous wise old owl has said that you are going to help me. Well, maybe come on in, don't get too close. Now he invites him inside, but he asks him to remain at a distance, okay, not to come closer. Why? Because the smell was very bad. Now inside Joe, there were all these magic things all jumbled together in a big dust heap because the wizard did not have any cleaning lady. Okay, and now father says कि inside Joe, there were all these magic things, यानी उसके घर के अंदर all the magic things were there, all jumbled up. Okay, all they were lying here and there in an untidy manner. In a big dusty heap, because क्यों एक कचरे की तरह everything was lying here and there. Why? Because वो कहता है the wizards did not have any cleaning lady. Why? Why? Because he was a wizard and a very old man. Okay, अब daughter पूछती why he did not have any cleaning lady, तो कहता है because he was a wizard and a very old man. Will he die? Now daughter, she wants to confirm, will the wizard die? No, wizards don't die. Okay, and well, he Dumage का meaning लिखो searched unsystematically. Means he was just looking for something around, and he found an old stick called a magic wand and asked Roger Skunk what he wanted to smell. Okay, अब उसने ड्यूमेज करा, सर्च करा और एक मैजिक वॉन्ड अपना निकाल लिया, मैजिक स्टिक, और उससे पूछा रॉजर स्कंक से कि yes, what he wanted to smell like, किसकी smell he wanted. Roger Skunk thought and thought and thought, and finally he says roses. Yes, good, Joe said smugly. Smugly means she was self-satisfied now. Jack fixed her with a trance-like gaze and chanted in the wizard's elderly, irritable voice. Okay, trance होता है half conscious state. लिखो half conscious state. Okay, and then उसने chant करने शुरू करे अपने words. Okay, जो wizards के magical words होते, he started shouting. Abracadabra, hocus poo, Roger Skunk, how do you do? Roses, bozes, pull and ear, Roger Skunk, you never fear. Okay, then he chanted all the magical words. Okay, और तो ये किसने chant करी? Jack ने chant करी in the voice of who? Wizard. Getting it, beta?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now he paused as a rapt expressions. Rapt क्या होता है? जो fascinated होता है ना, write down. Completely fascinated. Who's lost in his own thoughts. He paused as a rapt expressions widened out from his daughter's nostrils, forcing her eyebrows up and her lower lip down in a wide, noiseless grin. Grin is what? A smile. Grin is a smile. तो एकदम से वो पॉज हो जाता है, क्यों? क्योंकि ऐसे फैसिनेटिंग एक्सप्रेशंस उसके होते हैं जो के, ओके, जिसमें नॉस्ट्रल्स ब्रॉड हो जाती हैं, आईब्रोज अप हो जाती हैं. व्हाई? बिकॉज she was very much astonished, okay, fascinated, okay, and an expression in which Jack was startled to recognize his wife feigning pleasure at cocktail party, okay. और फिर जैक जो था वो स्टार्टल हो जाता है. स्टार्टल यानी वो थोड़ा बहुत चौंक जाता है. क्यों? क्योंकि उसको मालूम है कि इस तरह का बिहेवियर जो है उसकी वाइफ का रहता है ड्यूरिंग द कॉकटेल पार्टी. And all of a sudden, and then he continues the story, और वो कहता है कि all of a sudden the whole inside of the wizard house was full of the smell of roses. Why? Because now Roger Skunk, you know, he had beautiful smell of roses. Roger Fish cried, and the wizard said, very cranky, that will be 7 pennies. Okay, अब cranky होता है in a bad tempered. bad tempered or irritable manner. अब देखो बोलते बोलते actually he forgets and Roger Fish it comes out from the mouth of Jack. तो वो जैसे ही बोलता है ना Roger Fish cried. ठीक है? And then the wizard said very crankly that will be 7 pennies. कि रॉजर फिश बोलता है तो इतने में विजार्ड कहता है बड़ा इरिटेटेड होके कि 7 पेनीज होगी. अब गलती से उसने फादर ने रॉजर फिश कह दिया, राइट? तो देखो डॉटर्स जो होती हैं या चिल्ड्रन जो होते हैं, ओके, they are very sensitive, okay, and they just try to find out the mistakes of the elders. Instantly she found out, Daddy, what, Roger Skunk? You said Roger Fish, okay? समझ में आया एकदम से, है ना? अपने फादर को चेक करती है और कहती, डैडी इट्स रॉजर स्कंक बट राइट नाउ यू सेड रॉजर फिश. यस स्कंक, ओके फाइन स्कंक. फादर कहता है you said Roger Fish, wasn't that silly? But you said Roger Fish, that was a silly act of yours. Very silly of your stupid old daddy. Where was I? Okay, father कहते हैं हाँ बेटा, it was and silly act, you know, a silly act of your father. लेकिन where was I? मैं कहाँ था स्टोरी में? Well, you know about the pennies. Say it. Okay, pennies के बारे में तो तुम जानती हो. तो डॉटर कहती नहीं, you speak. Okay, Roger Skunk said, but all I have is 4 pennies. And he began to cry. Joe made the crying face again, but this time without a trace of sincerity. Okay? अब स्टोरी कंटिन्यू होती है. वो पेनीज मांगते हैं. रॉजर स्कंक उसको कहता है I have 4 pennies. कितनी डिमांड करी उसने? 7 pennies. ओके, बट ही वाज हैविंग 4 pennies और वो रोने लगता है. तो जो है ना क्राइंग फेस बनाती है. ओके, बट नो सिंसियरिटी वाज देयर इन हर फेस. This annoyed Jack. Downstairs, some more furniture rumbled. Okay, some more furniture. It moved. Clary shouldn't move heavy things. She was 6 months pregnant. It would be the third. और जब ये सब स्टोरी बता रहे हैं तो उसको एकदम से आवाज सुनाई देती है कि downstairs the furniture it is moving. Why Clary? His wife, she was busy painting the living room. तो उसको लगता है कि yes I should go down. Why? Because my wife should not move such heavy furniture as she was pregnant and they were expecting their third child. So the wizard said, oh very well, go to the end of the lane. अब सुनना, wizard ने उसको कहाँ भेजा? ध्यान से सुनना. Go to the end of lane and turn around 3 times and look down the magic well and there you will find 3 pennies. Wizard कहता, go to the end of the lane, बिल्कुल street के end में जाना. Turn around 3 times, you turn, okay, and then a magic well is there. You just look into the magic well and there you are going to find 3 remaining pennies. Hurry up. So Roger Skunk went to the end of the lane and turned around 3 times and there in the magic well were 3 pennies. So he took them back to the wizard and was very happy and ran out into the woods and all the other little animals gathered around him because he smelled so good. Okay. अब उस कंग ने लाके दे दी. He was very happy. He just ran around. The little baby animals also found the smell very awesome, very good. Okay, and everybody, you know, all the baby animals, they all gathered around him and started playing with him. Why? Because now he smelled so good. And they played tag, baseball, football, basketball, lacrosse, hockey, soccer, and pick up sticks. What is pick up sticks? अब daughter पूछती है कि ये pick up sticks क्या हैं? It's a game you play with sticks. Father बताते हैं like the wizard's magic wand. जैसे wizard के पास magic की stick होती है, wand होता है. Yes, kind of. And they played games and laughed all afternoon. उसके बाद it began to get dark and they all ran home to their mommies. और ये सब फटाफट घर पर भागे. As soon as it was late evening, it began to get darker. Now Joe was starting to fuss with her hands and look out of the window at the crack of the day that showed under the shade. Now Joe, you know, she was just fussing with her hands and she looked out of the window. क्यों? क्योंकि break of the day was there means the light of the day it was there. She thought the story was all over. उसको लगा कि story खत्म हो गई. Jack didn't like women when they took anything for granted. He liked them apprehensive, hanging on his words. Now Joe, are you listening? अब क्या हुआ बेटा कि उसको लगा कि the day is on and the story, you know, it has been completed. हाँ, the story it was completed and तो कई वो फसेस करने लगी है ना, एक्साइटमेंट वगैरह शो करने लगी, ओके। और उसको नहीं पसंद कि वुमेन यू नो दे शुड टेक एनीथिंग फॉर ग्रांटेड। वो चाहता है कि दे शुड बी अप्रहेंसिव। अप्रहेंसिव का मतलब होता है fearful when something when something bad is about to happen. Apprehensive का मीनिंग लिख लो, fearful when something when something bad is about to happen. ओके तो उसको ऐसी वुमेन पसंद थी जो उसकी बातों में एनग्रॉस्ड रहे, राइट। तो वो जो को कहता है, आर यू लिसनिंग? यस, बिकॉज दिस इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग। रॉजर स्कंक्स मॉमी सेड व्हाट इज दैट ऑफुल स्मेल। तो वो स्टोरी कंटिन्यू करता है, कहता है स्टोरी इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग। ओके, रॉजर स्कंक की मम्मा ने कहा कि ये ऑफुल स्मेल किसकी है, व्हाट? एंड रॉजर स्कंक बोलता है इट्स मी मॉमी, आई स्मेल लाइक रोजेस। ओके, तो वो बेटा जवाब देता है skunk, baby skunk, yes, I smell like roses. And she said, who made you smell like that? मम्मा ने पूछा कि भाई ये स्मेल है ना, कहाँ से आई? who made you smell like that? तो उसने जवाब दिया the wizard. And she said, well, of all the nerve, you come with me and we are going right back to that very awful wizard. अब मदर को बहुत गुस्सा आती है और कहते हैं come on now, okay? It makes her irritated और कहता है, वो कहती है now you are going to come with me, we are going back to that awful wizard. Then Joe set up her hands, dabbling in the air with genuine pride. Now Joe, you know, he set up her hand, उसने अपने हाथ ऊपर कर लिए क्योंकि genuine यानी natural डर था। But daddy, है ना, डर गई बच्ची कि why mother is going back to the wizard. कहती but daddy, then he said about the other little animals run away. But daddy, okay, skunk told mother that all the other little animals ran away because of his bad smell. Still mother is taking him to the wizard. Her hand scattered off into the underbush. Scattered means moved lightly and quickly, okay. All right, he said, but mommy, all the other little animals ran away. तो father कहते हैं okay fine. उसने बोला कि मम्मी सारे animals भाग जाते हैं, लेकिन उन्होंने mother ने क्या बोला? She said, I don't care. You smell the way a little skunk should have, and I'm going to take you right back to that wizard. Okay, I don't care if baby animals don't play with you, but you should have the original smell, है ना? As the skunks, you know, they have it, right? You should not have any artificial smell. You should always smell like a skunk. And then she says that she's going to take him right back to the wizard. And then she took an umbrella and went there with Roger Skunk to the wizard's house and hit that wizard right over the head. गई wizard के घर पे और बिल्कुल wizard के सिर पर she hit with the umbrella. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So now it's time and we are going to finish it up on Monday. Okay, beta?
Okay,
Thank
ma'am.
you.
Thank you. God bless you.